Struggling with homework questions? Don't worry. AssignmentHelp.net is here to make your life easier with its amazing QA services. Let's dive into how it works. With free QA homework help, you can search for answers to your questions instantly. Just type your question in the search bar or upload an image of your problem. It's that simple. Didn't find what you were looking for? No problem. Post your question and our experts will provide you with an instant answer. It's completely free for students. No subscription, no payment, 100% free. Meet the Snap and Solve feature. Just snap a picture of your question, upload it, and get step by step solutions in no time. Perfect for math, science, and more. Plus, our intelligent AI recommends similar questions from our rich question bank to help you dive deeper into any topic. Stuck on a tough problem? Get help with any subject: science, technology, engineering, physics, chemistry, math, computer science, literature, law, nursing, medicine, biology, management, business studies, accounting, and more. We offer high quality answers with 98% accuracy, expert verified community answers, and 24/7 homework assistance. You can even track your questions, bookmark important queries, and revisit discussions anytime. Want more control over your studies? Keep track of all your problems and ace your exams. Use our bookmark feature to save important questions in your personal study space. Organize your homework, track your bookmark questions, and prepare for exams stress free. Want to help others? Check out our unanswered questions section where you can contribute by answering queries from fellow students. It's a great way to learn, share knowledge, and engage with a supportive global community. Need custom answers or technical troubleshooting? Our 24/7 live chat is here for you. Ask follow up questions, discuss in the same thread, and get real time guidance. Experience seamless input options. Type, snap a picture, or use our formula input tool. Our Pick to Solve technology accurately recognizes handwritten and printed problems, making homework help easier than ever. Enjoy free and unblocked access. No paywalls, no restrictions. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to clear, step by step explanations with proper formatting for math equations and well referenced solutions. Our platform ensures that every answer helps you truly understand the concept. Need simulations, coding solutions, or diagrams? We've got you covered with stepwise explanations, interactive simulations, and well documented answers. Plus, our mobile friendly platform ensures you can upload homework problems and receive solutions directly from your smartphone or tablet. Available in 9 languages: English, Hindi, Chinese, Spanish, Vietnamese, French, German, Arabic, and Italian, with native language experts ensuring high quality, well translated solutions for students worldwide. Stay ahead in your studies with AssignmentHelp.net, your one stop solution for homework success. Join thousands of students who are already acing their studies. Your homework, our solution. AssignmentHelp.net. Ready to simplify your studies? Visit AssignmentHelp.net today and experience the future of homework help.